welcome back. Today I'm going to the destination North Festival in St. Paul's Bay in Malta. There are a lot of stalls and let's see what it offers. Meanwhile, I walk in St. Paul's Bay until I get to the first stalls. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and press like. Thank you. Destination North Festival.
Take care, bye. Bye.
Online nutrition Malta. Party. Iskamar, do-it-yourself projects. What is this? Stencils. Malta honey.
Because some fine particles succeeded to pass through the sea. We do not tell you honey, but we pass it. Where are the hives? The hives I can tell you. from the coast here, from Latin. This is from Malta, the Greek Cliffs area.
Xylophone. Let's try the one-handed xylophone. Let the other people try to make some music. I don't play music usually. And that was fun. Raymond rabbits. Roman rabbits, the fancy breeder. All of these are the same. We're at the Msida Festa. Destination North. I'm actually hoping to see the red arrows fly over, but I'm not seeing them yet. Been here since around 2 p.m. Anyway. Okay, so now there's a Magic Bite, Serbian food. This is the Croatian food. I want Croatian. Cocktail pastry pizza, crackling scone. Cocktail pastry feta. By it's a bit like the Connecting Through Culture festival in Tashbish. They're doing something similar. Bombay masala from bugibba. Okay, oh, it's nice. You have Indian food also. Iber and Co. This is, I think, Spanish. So there's Spanish food here. You can sit down and eat if there's a place. We have milk tea and also fruit tea. Very interesting. That's
Okay, we have beer, meat sold. Here we have Brazilian food. It was very good in Sida when there was the festa. Coxinias, empada, coxinia. I don't know what the difference is between those two. Chicken pie. So they are €5 or €4. And then there's cheese bread, €2. And drinks. They have seasoned food truck, international food, and they have tacos, chicken thigh, French hot dog, fries. Okay, and fresh watermelon juice. The lady was dressed in the Chinese outfit, and Slima, I think it was there. Hickory barbecue joint. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. This is the stand of Miss Ellen's. Okay. And they have a lot. She has a lot of sweets, sweet things. That's nice. Here we have coffees, I think. Coffees, everything. Even gingerbread latte. I don't know if I've ever had one, but that's interesting. Roll and chill. They have a shop in Valletta. They also have bubble waffles, Kinder Bueno. Their ice cream is good. I tried it once in Valletta. So yes, that's a good thing. I can say that I've tried it. It's good. Here there's another stall with donuts. They have homemade desserts from Mama's Sugar. They have a shop in Tashbish also. I haven't tried it. It looks like it might be good. Hailey's. Ice creams. They have music. Yes, yes, yes.
مالطا الحنينة خبز وسرد.
Yes,
الواس كيف
exactly.
الفترينة والجبل هرب بينا. ايه واش فلوس.
Right. Thank you,
انت
welcome.
ولد كويس مش حلال الشيطان.
طيب. Thank you.
شوف بعدين عمل good price.
Thank you. People come to Sidi Bou Said, they have to visit your shop.
Of course bro, show 'em my shop, it's here.
Okay, this is it.
Just a moment, I'll give you a small gift.